Hey guys, Jimmy your Astute Tourist here. Today we continue our Mexico series with a visit to the KIL Cenote. Located just outside the gates of the ancient city of Chichen Itza, KIL is a natural sinkhole about 150 feet deep, and it's full of emerald green water. Used as a worship site for human sacrifices by the Mayan to their rain god Chak, it's open to the public for swimming from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. all year long. The cenote is part of a complex that includes a restaurant, a gift shop, bicycle rentals, and a hotel that's on site. Join us as we take a swim in the KIL Cenote. Okay, so we are at Cenote KIL, and we're going to head down and jump in the water. We'll take a look from here though. Check this out. Look how beautiful this is.
It's circular almost. And there's different platforms if you want to jump at different heights.
All right, let's go do this. All right, here we go. Heading down into the cave. You ready to do this?
I am.
I think it's going to be fun. So I know if you get here earlier in the day, it's not as crowded. There's a lot of people here today. But this is something that I really want to experience. We're going to let you know what it's like. I'm going to jump in the water with the camera. You guys can get a good view of everything. There's supposed to be catfish in it. Some of these cenotes, they used to sacrifice people in back with the Mayans in the old days. And we're not sacrificing anyone today. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're jumping off up there. All right, so here I go. We're gonna jump in. It's not bad. So we're inside. It's like pool water. Here comes Colleen. It's not bad though once you get in. So this is Cenote KIL. Look at this. There's this water coming down from above. See if you can look underneath. What do you think, babe? Amazing.
Since I'm not a swimmer,
It's good with the PFD, right?
right? It's 120 feet deep. Me not being a very strong swimmer.
There's a rope here. So it's 150 feet deep. There's no way we're going to swim down to the bottom. It's amazing though. Look at the
vines growing and the water coming down. There's more vines up there. This is incredible.
Beautiful.
So we bought this as part of an excursion on our cruise. So I'll try to put a description down in the below for put a description down below us here and let you know how much it costs. But the excursion with the cruise, we went to Chichen Itza, and it included coming here to the cenote, and we had a buffet lunch right before we came down. That was all included as well. If you're not here with the cruise line and you didn't purchase an excursion, we'll let everybody know what tickets cost. You see people up top, they're going to jump down. So we've had a fun day here at the Cenote, KIL in Mexico. And like I said, if you wanted to come down here on your own and buy an individual ticket, we'll put a price down in the description below. We were here as part of our cruise line excursion. What do you think, Colleen?
It's definitely worth all the effort to get here. It's a long drive here. You won't regret it.
So I guess that's going to be it for us from the Cenote KIL here in Mexico. I'm Jimmy.
I'm Colleen.
We'll see you later.